Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing yogurt from liquid unsweetened whole milk. This is the milk that Thai students drink in school every day. So most of them don't like to drink it and there's a lot of leftovers. So I decided to try if we could make yogurt, if I could make yogurt with it, and it came out perfectly. So first I'm using a pot. That's an electric pot. You can use your pot on a cooker, whatever pot you have, and you just put pour the milk into the pot. As I said, you can use whatever liquid milk you have, liquid whole milk, unsweetened milk, not the sweet milk, unsweetened milk, liquid whole milk. You can use whatever you have. But I was just so excited that this particular milk could give me good yogurt. So after putting all the milk in the pot, I just turned on my pot and then I just keep stirring. You have to stir constantly, otherwise it's going to boil over. So you stir constantly until it boils. See that it boils. You keep stirring, you stir constantly. After that, you just turn off the pot or the heat and you let it cool down until it becomes lukewarm. Then you get your yogurt, store-bought yogurt. Check the ingredients. It must have live and active cultures. You should make sure you check the ingredients. It's always written there if it does. Live and active cultures. So I bought this yogurt from 7-Eleven here in Thailand. So you can choose whatever brand of yogurt you have, but make sure it has the live and active cultures. So I just poured it in a bowl. And now I go back to my lukewarm milk. It's lukewarm now. You will see there's a hard surface on top. You just make sure you gently scoop it up, okay? Because if you don't, your yogurt is going to have like, I don't know, it's not going to be smooth. It's going to have like paper things on top because of this hardened surface. So I just scoop it up with my spatula. And then I'm going to put some milk into the yogurt and just stir. That is just so that when I put the yogurt in the milk, it's not going to give me not bubbles. It's not going to maybe be rough. Okay, so I just stir it and then I sweeten with brown sugar, 3 spoons of brown sugar. You can sweeten at this stage or after your yogurt is already formed, or you can not sweeten at all. So I'm just going to pour it in a bowl and cover it. I'm going to put it in my styrofoam. That is to make it warm. You can, however you want to, but you need to maintain the warm temperature. Put it wherever you want to. You can wrap it in blankets just to maintain it. So 8 hours later, I'll come back to it. I opened it and then you check your yogurt. If your yogurt is not yet formed, if it's not yet thick, you can just leave it in a warm place again for a few more hours to check. So you see, there it is. I have my yogurt perfectly formed. You can sweeten it at this stage also. So most people decide to sweeten it at this stage. At this stage, you can take off some yogurt and keep for as your culture for your next batch of making yogurt. Now I want to make Kossam or Yaourt as we call it in Cameroon. I just got my small papers and then I just put the yogurt inside. It's quite easy as you can see. Get your small papers, put the yogurt inside, tie, and you put in the freezer. That's all. As easy as that. See? And then I put in the freezer. Depending on how cool your freezer is, it could be a couple of hours. So after that, there you go. I have my Kossam or Yaourt. Thanks for watching, guys.